Kirby, come on. What's your crazy brother doing? What, does he want a piece of watermelon? Okay, hold on. Let me get him a piece. Here we go. You ready, Ellie? Here goes Kirby. Is he silly? Does Ellie want a piece of watermelon? Oh, Kirby. No, this is Ellie's piece. Kirby! Is Kirby funny? Is that your buddy? Where's Kirby? Say, Kirby, come on. Whoa. All right. One more piece for Kirby. You ready, Ellie? Here we go. Oh.